how to identify Ponzi scheme.
Okay, another thing where you go use to identify them is because most of them they don't get license like that. Any advertisement wey no register with better regulatory system body like SEC, CBN, abeg hold your money tight for your pocket.
The next one, promise of consistent returns. That they tell you say, hey, money go dey come regardless of the market. No how you go still dey make am. My brother, my sister, that's a big what? Red carpet, not red flag. It's too much. It's too small to be a red. You get it?
Yes. So my people, hey, before you drop your hard-earned money, I beg do proper research, and of course, if it still confuse you, ask financial experts. No go use greed take throw away your future. A lot of people don't cry now.
My pastor tell me say in life have 3 people. Have a lawyer. That's why I have Bible Sasa.
Hello.
2, have an army or somebody inside the protection or something. Then get a financial expert.
Come on now.
Make you no go confused in making financial decisions.
So you no go lose funds.
Now we be 89.9 Yanga FM.